Today we will do accounting fundamentals, accounting for partnership firm, fundamentals. Students, in previous video you study about partnership, features of partnership, partnership deed. Am I right? In partnership deed you studied that partnership deed is an agreement among all the partners which explains all the rules and regulations of the firm, right? Now in this video we will study what are the rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed and what are the accounts maintained by partnership firm. It means profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. We will start rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. Today's topic is rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. Rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. It means if in partnership firm partnership deed is silent or there is partnership deed that is oral, then what will be the rules in partnership firm? The first rule is that profit and loss will be distributed by all partners equally. This is the first rule. When partnership deed is silent or there is nothing mentioned about the profit sharing ratio among all the partners, then all partners will distribute profits and losses of the business in their equal proportion. That means all partners will distribute profits and losses in equal proportion. How much capital they are invested in will be ignored here, right? Second is no salary to any partner. When partnership deed is silent, then no partner will get any type of salary for any extra work. No commission to partners. No commission to partners. Partners will not get any type of commission for their extra work, right? Next, interest on capital will not be allowed. Will not be allowed to any partner. To any partner. No partner will get any type of interest on capital. If all the partners are investing money in the business, they will not get any type of interest on capital. Next, no interest on drawings will be charged from partners. Will be charged from partners. If partners withdraw any money from the business, then firm will not charge any type of interest from them. Next, rule in the absence of partnership deed is interest on loan will be 6% per annum. If partnership deed is silent, then interest on loan will be 6% per annum. Next, new partner will be admitted in partnership form with the consent of all other partners. If in partnership business any partner wants to admit, then if all partners will agree to admit that partners, only then it happens so. Otherwise no new partner will be admitted in the business. All partners can inspect the books of the firm. All partners have a right to get inspected the books of the firm. These are some of the rules which we have to be known when there is absence of partnership deed. Am I right? Is it clear, all of you? Should we shift to the next topic? Accounts to be maintained in partnership form. Accounts to be maintained in partnership form. Children, you know very well that in partnership form we have to prepare just like other business trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Moreover, except these trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, we have to prepare some other accounts also. I am telling you about these accounts, that is profit and loss appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account. Except trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account in partnership form, and partners capital account has also prepared in partnership form. As far as partners capital account is to be concerned, it can be of two types. First is when capital is fixed in nature. When capital is fixed in nature, we have to prepare partners capital account differently, and when capital is fluctuating, then we again have to prepare partners capital account differently. We will start profit and loss appropriation account. Now we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Children, you know profit and loss appropriation account. What is that? Previously we will prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. After that we will prepare, I am telling you, profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation. This account is maintained in partnership form after preparing profit and loss account. Am I clear? First, firm has to prepare profit and loss account, and with the help of its answer, firm will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Am I clear? Appropriation here means distribution. What will we distribute in partnership form? We will distribute the profits in partnership form. We will appropriate the profits in form. So here we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account to distribute the profits of the business, right? How we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account? Just see the format of profit and loss appropriation account. You will draw like this: particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Here you will write particulars, amount, particulars, and amount, right? This side is known as debit side up to amount. This side, left side, is known as debit side. Right side of account is known as credit side. How we will prepare it? As I told you, we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account by the answer of profit and loss account. Answer of profit and loss account may be net profit, may be net loss. If there is net profit in profit and loss account, you will show it in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account by writing by profit and loss account profit. Here you will write net profit of the profit and loss account. Am I clear? Am I clear here? Here you will write profit and loss account net profit. You will start profit and loss appropriation account by writing the answer of profit and loss account, that is net profit, in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Is it clear? After that you will write the expenses of the firm, just like to interest on capital. If firm is given any type of interest on capital to partners, you will write it in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Am I clear? Next, to salary. If firm is given any type of salary to partners, you will write here to salary to partners. To commission. If firm is allowed to give partners any type of commission, then firm will write in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. To reserves. If firm is showing any type of reserves or maintaining any types of reserves, then it will also be shown in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. What will you write to credit side? You will write credit side the income of the firm, that is interest on drawings. If any partner is withdrawing money from the firm, then firm will charge interest on drawings from that very partner. This is the income of the firm and will be shown in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Am I clear? So in debit side you will write interest on capital given to the partners, salary given to the partners, commission given to the partners, and share of reserves. Credit side you will show net profit and interest on drawings. What will you do after that? You will just do the total of credit side, and from the credit side total you will deduct the total of the debit side. What will you get? You will get 2 divisible profit. 2 divisible profit. Transfer to partners capital account or partners current account. Am I right? Divisible profit you will transfer in the partners capital account or partners current account in their profit sharing ratio. Am I clear? This is all about your profit and loss appropriation account. Right? Profit and loss appropriation account, these are the terms of the debit side and these are some of the items given in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Right?